Hi, welcome to Tina's Tasty Treats. Today I'm going to be making a tahini, which is a Mediterranean condiment and the base for hummus, even baba ganoush. And it's a really easy recipe to make. You only need 3 key ingredients, and that's olive oil or even a neutral oil, sesame seeds, and some salt. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and toast the sesame seeds on medium to medium-low heat. You don't want too much color on it, but the whole point is to really extract the aromatics and the natural oils in the seeds. So now that the seeds have been toasting for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how hot your skillet is, one thing I did forget to mention earlier is that make sure you're constantly stirring it. Otherwise it will burn, and it will burn really fast. But if you look at your seeds, you'll see them glisten because the natural oils are being extracted, and the fragrance is actually getting stronger as you toast it. I think this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to your RoboCoupe or food processor. Make sure you're really careful because they will go everywhere. Once they're all in, we're going to season it, add some olive oil, and blend it until it's extremely smooth. So now that it's been blending for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it looks smooth, we're gonna go ahead and taste it. Checking the seasoning. Seasoned well, very smooth. And now we're gonna go ahead and put it in a separate container. And as you watch it pour out, you'll see how smooth it is. Awesome. And you can hold this up to 3 weeks. And this is how you make tahini. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Tina's Tasty Treats.